Let us start with a very interesting formula today. Interesting problem of integration, definite integral. If integration 0 to pi 5 to the power cos x into 1 plus cos x cos 3x plus cos square x plus cos cube x cos 3x whole divided by 1 plus 5 to the power cos x dx equal to k pi by 16, then what will be the value of k? Let us start with the solution. So let I equals to 0 to pi 5 to the power cos x 1 plus cos x cos 3x plus cos square x plus cos cube x 3x whole divided by 1 plus 5 to the power cos x dx. Now here we using King's formula, we have to replace x by 0 plus pi minus x, that is x should be replaced by pi minus x. So we are replacing everywhere in this problem x by pi minus x. So what do we get? So I equals to 0 to pi 5 to the power cos of pi minus x into 1 plus cos pi minus x into cos 3 pi minus 3x into cos of pi minus x whole square plus cos pi minus x whole cube plus cos 3 pi minus 3x whole divided by 5 to the power cos pi minus x into dx. Now cos of pi minus x falls in the second quadrant, and we all know that in second quadrant cos of pi minus x become minus cos x. So we know that cos of pi minus x equal to minus cos x, and cos of 3 pi minus 3x equal to minus cos 3x. So from above we get what we get? We get I equals to 0 to 5 to the power minus cos x into 1 plus cos of minus x into cos of minus cos 3x plus cos square x minus cos cube x minus cos 3x divided by 1 plus 5 to the power minus cos x dx. Now we will add equation 2 with equation 1, and then what we finally get? Now getting equation 1 and 2, we get 2 pi equals to 0 to pi 1 plus cos x cos 3x plus cos square x plus cos cube x into cos 3x. This term will come from both the equation 1 and 2 and take this as common, and then we get the rest part as 5 to the power cos x by 1 plus 5 to the power cos x plus 5 to the power minus cos x by 1 plus 5 to the power minus cos x. Now we will simplify. Now we'll simplify 5 to the power cos x 5 to the power. Now we'll simplify 5 to the power cos x plus 1 by 5 to the power cos x, and after simplifying this whole expression, and this whole expression becomes 1. So from equation 3 we get twice I equal to 0 to pi 1 plus cos x cos 3x plus cos square x plus cos cube x cos 3x into 1 dx, because in 3 what was the equation number 3? Equation 3 was this, and this becomes equal to 1. So we get twice I equal to this one. And now again we know that integration 0 to 2a f of x dx equal to twice of 0 to a fx dx, when function of 2a minus x equal to function of x. Just above we see that this expression follows this rule, and since this rule satisfies for the above equation, so we can write twice I equal to 2 into 0 to pi by 2 1 plus cos x cos 3x plus cos square x plus cos cube x cos 3x dx. Now we will again using the applying King's formula here in this equation. So this becomes, here I can 2 cancel. So I equals to 0 to pi by 2 1 plus cos pi by 2 minus x sin x cos of 3 pi by 2 minus 3x equal to minus sine 3x. Cos square x becomes sine square x and cos cube x becomes sine cube x, because cos of pi by 2 minus x falls in the first quadrant, and cos of 3x equal to minus sine 3x. Then this is numbering 4 and this is numbering 5. So adding 4 and 5, adding 4 and 5, we get twice pi 0 to pi by 2. 1 plus 1 makes 2. Cos x cos 3x minus sin x sin 3x plus 1. Here cos square plus sin square becomes 1. That is why I've written 1 here. And cos qx cos 3x minus sin qf sin 3x into dx. Then twice I equals 0 to pi by 2. 2 plus 1 makes 3. And this is a cos b minus sin a sin b makes cos of x plus 3x. Plus here I have put the value of cos cube x. The formula of cos cube x equal to cos 3x plus 3 cos x by 4 into cos 3x, and the formula of sin cube x equal to 3 sin x minus sin 3x by 4 into sin 3x dx. Then cos of x plus 3x become cos 4x. If we multiply here, we get cos square 3x by 4 from here and sin square 3x by 4 plus sin square 3x by 4 from here. Writing these two here and the another multiplications which come taking 3 by 4 common, cos x into cos 3x, here it will be the cos cube x, it is cos x into cos 3x minus sin x into sin 3x. So then it will be formula of cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, which will be cos of x plus 3x. So this becomes, if taking 1 by 4, this becomes 1. So we finally get 0 to pi by 2 3 cos 4x plus 1/4 into 1 plus 3 by 4 into cos of a plus b cos of x plus 3x. It becomes again cos 4x. So here we get 3 plus 1 by 4 plus cos 4x plus 3 by 4 into cos 4x. So adding 3 plus 1 by 4, we get 13 by 4, and 3 by 4 plus 1, we get 7 by 4 into cos 4x dx. Then integrating, we get 13 by 4 into x 0 to pi by 2 plus 7 by 4. Cos of 4x become, after integrating, minus sin 4x by 4, 0 to integration 0 to pi by 2. And now when we put the value of here pi by 2 here, then sin 4x becomes sin 2s pi will equal to 0, and sin 0 is already 0. So how do we get? The 13 by 4 into pi by 2 in replace x by pi by 2, and this total value of total term becomes 0. So we get twice I equal to 13 pi by 8, or I equal to 13 pi by 6. And what we have to prove? And at the beginning it was given, at the beginning the question was given, if this one equal to k pi by 16, then what value of c? So we get here I equal to 13 pi by 16 equal to k pi by 16. So becomes k equal to 13. This is the final answer. So if you like this problem solution, please comment and also subscribe my channel. Thank you.